everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Imagine I created a new Microsoft To-Do task and automatically the task details is added in my Google Sheets. Is this possible? Let me show you. I will add a new task right over here. So this is my title, that is schedule Instagram content for the week. I'm going to schedule this task. I'll pick the date on 27th of May 2026. Save this date and add this task from here. You can see the task is created in my Microsoft To-Do account. You will see in my Google Sheets also within few seconds the details of the same task is going to be added, and you can see in front of you the data is added. This is the task ID you can see right over here. The title is schedule Instagram content for the week and the due date is 27th of May 2026. So as now the details are added successfully in my Google Sheets, this is how the setup is going to work. No manual efforts, no copying pasting the data, just simply creating the setup for once. Let me show you how this entire setup is created in this video within 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup. You will see I've already created the main setup of this connection. That is, I've selected the trigger application and the event with the action application and the event. Now simply we are going to create the connection and the entire setup will be created. Let's set up a trigger, that is Microsoft To-Do to new task. I'm creating such amazing automations using the software that is Pabbly Connect. If you want to open Pabbly Connect and access your account, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab. You will come to this landing page. If you're a new user, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month to create and test out such amazing automations right away, absolutely without paying anything. And if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plans, use the code that you will see on the left side on the screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Okay, now let's create the connection between Microsoft To-Do and Pabbly Connect. For that, go to connected option and go towards this add new connection section. Click on this connect with Microsoft To-Do account, and as soon as you will do that, automatically this window is going to appear in front of you, on which if you're going to scroll down, click on this accept button, as this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now select the list where you're creating the task and you want to capture the response in the trigger over here from this drop down. Select the response format as simple and click on the save and send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Microsoft To-Do is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, again I will create a new task in front of you and check whether my trigger captures the response of the date of the new task. Okay, so my next task is follow up with new Facebook leads. Okay, I will make the due date for this on 28th of May 2026. Save it from here and add the task. You can see the task is successfully added in my Microsoft To-Do account. Within few seconds, you will see the response is also captured in the trigger. If I'm going to tally the response, the title is follow up with the new Facebook leads. You can see right over here, this is the ID of the task with all the other details. Now there is one thing, you can see I've received the due date and time in a UTC time zone format. I want to enter the date and time in the simple format right away. I just want to enter the date. Now in that case, what you need to do is add an action step after this Microsoft To-Do step. Select the action application as date time formatter by Pabbly, event as format date only. Click on this connect button. Now for the data of this date field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a slash where you want to map the data and search for the due date. So now this is the due date that I want to edit. I will select the data of the date from my previous response. So as I've done that, this data in this field is mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response of the new task will be captured in the previous step, that new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. This is the from format, that is a UTC time zone format, and the to format is going to be a simple date format. This is the date format I want. I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. You will see I've received the simple date format, that is 27th of May 2026. So as now I've received this response correctly, I'm going to go back. Now we are going to add in the details in our Google Sheets. Select the action application as Google Sheets, event as add new row. Click on this connect button. Go towards this add new connection option and click on the sign in with Google button. Now after that, it is asking for us to select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet. So I'll select it, and then it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After the connection is created, I've created a spreadsheet over here in the name of Microsoft To-Do task details, and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I will select those details from here. Next, it is asking for task ID, title and due date. Now, these are the fields that you have created over here, you can see. And now what we are going to do is we are going to enter the data under these fields. For the data of these fields, we'll map the data. For the ID, I'm going to map the data of the ID right over here. So this is the ID of the task that I've received. For the title, I will map the date of the title that I've received right over here. And for the due date, I will map the date of this edited date and click on this save and send test request button. You can see right over here, I've received this response, which is a positive response. And as I've received this response in my Google Sheets, you will see the same record is created successfully. This is the task ID, title is followed with the new Facebook leads, and the due date is on 28th of May. You can see the same details is kept as a record in my Google Sheets. So as now the details are added successfully, this means the connection between Microsoft To Do is connected to Google Sheets now. Whenever a new task will be created in your Microsoft To Do account, automatically you will see the same task is synced inside your Google Sheets. In this manner, you will have a systematic record of all the tasks in one place. You will have the backup of all the task operations that is going on in your business with the help of this amazing setup. If you have any questions or doubts related to this video, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you want the free template of this setup that I've created, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. Use the code that's on the left side of the screen while checking out, and if you're purchasing our yearly and lifetime plan to get instant discounts. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.